All right, friends, let's go ahead and get started. This is not what I want. I want full page, full screen. Okay, so we just recently talked about the future tense. And the future, what's the key word for the future? Will, exactly. All right, and to form it, it's the infinitive plus your endings. So that would be has, hemos, han. Okay. So that's what we've been covering. Today what we're going to do is we're going to add a new verb tense. And that tense is called the conditional. Okay, so the conditional, if you know the future, the conditional is going to be super simple for you. So the conditional refers to a hypothetical future, and the key word for the conditional is would. So instead of saying, I will go to the store, now you can say, I would go to the store. Or, would you get this one? Or, he would call. Or anytime you would say would or have some kind of hypothetical situation. Yes. Would if. So those are hypothetical if clauses. They're a little more complicated. We're not going to get into those just yet. Yeah. No, it's not. Not really. It's just in English if you would say would, this is how you do it in Spanish. It's a little more simplistic. All right, so to form the conditional, it's very simple. It's the infinitive. So we're used to that, right? We're used to that. The infinitive plus the following endings. Now, these are endings that you have seen before, so you can recognize them. Now, it's ia, ias, ia, iamos, and ian. Yes, these are the imperfect ER-IR endings. Exactly right. So you've seen them before. So to form the conditional, it's the infinitive plus the imperfect ER-IR endings. Yes. There's accents on all of them, and those are accents on the I's. So ia, ias, ia, iamos, ian. Oh, I'm sorry. That O is not. This is not an accent here. Let me see if I can clear that up a little bit. Just back handwriting. That's right. Okay. So remember, it doesn't matter if it's an ER, IR, or AR verb. It's always going to have the same ending. So, for example, I would eat in that restaurant. I would eat in that restaurant would be comería en este restaurante. This or that. Because there's either way. Okay. Let's see. Give me another would statement. How about a question for this one? Would you
go to the mall?
Okay, would you go to the mall with me? Would you go with me to the mall?
Or no.
So what's the verb for to go?
Here.
Okay, so it's irías. ¿Dónde? Al mall. What is mall también? Irías el mall conmigo. Conmigo. Irías el mall conmigo. Excelente, excelente. Una más. Let's do one more together. How about with me? Would we? Give me something not in the yo form, not in the to form. En español. Or in inglés. That's okay. Would you guys? Would you all? Would they go to school? Would they go to college? Would they go to college in Ohio? How about would they go to college in Ohio? Would they go to college in Ohio? So we've already used ear. What's the verb for to attend? Ironically, it's asistir. Okay, asistir. So would they go? Would they attend? Asistirían a la universidad en Ohio. Excellent. Okay. Pretty simple, right? Pretty simple? We kind of get the idea because we've been using this same formula for future. Except that there are irregulars. There are irregulars. Of course there are. Let's see if you recognize any of these irregulars and how they form. The first one is tener. What does tener mean? To have. And tener becomes tender. Uh-oh. All right, so the next one is hacer. What does hacer mean? To make or to do. And in the conditional, it becomes, how did you know? How did you know? Oh, I love it. Okay, the next one is decir, to say or to tell. And it becomes dir. Good. So, would you tell him? Would you tell him would be le dirías? Le dirías, sí or no? No, no le diría. I wouldn't tell. No, nunca. Okay, what's another one? You know them.
Saber.
Saber, to know, becomes sab. Good. What else? Poner. What does poner mean? To put. What does it become? Ponder. Good. Let's keep going. Poder, to be able. Poder, to be able. Would you be able? Would you be able to feed my dog? Would you be able to walk my dog? Would you be able to watch my kids? Whatever. Becomes. Good. What else? Venir, to come to or to come from. All right. Becomes venir. Good. What? Oh, querer. Would you want to do something? Becomes quer. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Una más. Salir, to leave or to go out. Would you go out with him? Becomes salir. Now, I know we learned caber and we learned valer. I don't think either one of those are important, but I do want to add in this one, haber. Okay, and haber becomes, in the present tense, it becomes I, there is or there are. So this is there would be, there would be. You know, so if we're talking about hypothetical, if you had this event, what would there be? Oh, there would be this and that and this and that. What do you think it's going to be? Okay, so I'm just going to give you the whole thing. Habría. Habría means there would be. There would be.
But